got some spokes with some new rims. Spokes in. What the heck? It's not easy doing it with one hand. Side. This way. That one. And this one goes underneath that one. Oh, I'm gonna have to take that one out. There's a short and a long curve. So see that. Yes. So the short one goes in the farthest from the center over to this hole. And the long one goes in the closest to the center because it goes underneath. And then I gotta take this one out. Thread it in ways. There we go. Get that one out so I can get that one up over and then thread it back in. Hard to do with one hand. Thread it in. And then I got lubrication. Drip in there. I don't know what this is, but let's see if I can do this. It smells like crude oil. Started on there. Such. And this one is up in that. That. It's working out so far for a Chinese wheel. Allstate clutch cover. Sanding out there's some scratches in it. Sanding them out. I'm doing some Scotch-Brite before I put some polish on it. Even out all the sandy scratches. See how much when I'm done. 320. Just so smooth them 320 scratches out. Cleaning up the motor on the Allstate. Got that pretty glossy. These old aluminum castings are hard to get looking super good. I got a lot of bubbles and weird things going on with them. Here I got this part pretty cleaned up. That's what it looks like. Pretty greasy. A lot of dirt. But, I keep scrubbing at it. Then I get some, polish it up, shine it up a little, it'll look good. Here's the motor all cleaned up. Come out pretty nice. Gotta put the ignition back on there. Look pretty good in there. Looks like it was loose at one time. Upper mount vibrating around. Yeah. As I get the rest of the frame back, I'll put it together.